Hello everyone, welcome back again to PPT Template channel. In this channel you can learn all about tutorials and download designs using PowerPoint. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe PPT Template channel. In this video, I will show how to embed fonts in PowerPoint. Let's start. Click File. Click Option. Click Save. Select Embed Fonts in the file any two option. Embed only the characters used in the presentation, best for reducing file size. Embed all characters, best for editing by other people. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to learn new updated videos about PowerPoint tutorials from PPT Template channel. Thanks for watching.